instance, if a convert's converting and he knows there's like nothing that he can eat that's healthy, that's affordable, can he eat something that's healthy? I mean that's kosher and healthy and affordable. But let's say he eats one thing that's non-kosher but healthy and affordable, and it's recommended by physicians and doctors and whatnot.
No. If it's not kosher, well, we don't need food not kosher because it contaminates the soul. So the doctors can say whatever they say, and maybe they're right for other people. So when doctors, scientists give advice, so they give advice based on effect on the general populace. So for general populace, there is no problem whatsoever. But for a Jew, it's going to affect the soul. They doctors know about the soul. They care about the soul. I mean, not Jewish or not religious doctor. They do not.
So the person while in conversion, would it affect their soul?
No, only after conversion.
Okay, so before they've converted, it's okay, but after, no.
Yes, exactly.